How are property taxes determined in New York City? Property taxes in New York City are a significant part of the city's revenue system, with nearly half of all tax dollars collected annually coming from real estate taxes. Understanding how these taxes are calculated is essential for homeowners, particularly those interested in minimizing their liabilities. New York City properties are classified into 4 distinct categories, with Class 1 properties covering most residential homes. For these properties, the calculation begins by determining the market value using recent sales data from similar properties. The assessed value, which is a capped percentage of the market value, is then established. In NYC, the assessed value for Class 1 properties cannot rise more than 6% in a year or 20% over 5 years unless substantial renovations are made to the property. After calculating the assessed value, the city applies any exemptions that homeowners may qualify for, such as exemptions for seniors, veterans, or persons with disabilities. These exemptions directly reduce the property's taxable value, potentially leading to significant savings. Can property taxes be lowered? Yes. Homeowners in New York City can reduce their property tax bills through various exemptions and abatements. The STAR exemption is one of the most common, offering relief to homeowners with incomes under $500,000. This exemption can reduce the assessed value of a property by around $300 per year. Additional tax reductions come through abatements, such as those offered for green roofs or major capital improvements. The senior citizens exemption can reduce property taxes by up to 50%, depending on the homeowner's income. Similarly, veterans and persons with disabilities may be eligible for significant exemptions. However, homeowners must actively apply for these programs and meet the income and property requirements set by the city. Understanding these exemptions and applying for them when eligible can help NYC property owners lower their tax burdens considerably. What is the process for property tax calculation? The property tax calculation process begins with determining a property's market value based on factors such as size, style, age, and recent sales of comparable homes. The assessed value is then derived as a percentage of the market value, with annual increases capped to prevent sudden tax spikes. Next, any applicable exemptions or abatements are deducted from the assessed value. This leaves the taxable value, which is then multiplied by the appropriate tax rate. In Manhattan, for instance, Class 1 properties are taxed at a rate of 20.085%, which is the highest among the 4 property classes. Different property classes have different rates. Class 1, residential homes, highest rate. Class 2, multi-unit residential buildings. Class 3, utility and infrastructure properties. Class 4, commercial and industrial properties. This complex system can be difficult to navigate, making it important for property owners to stay informed and seek help when necessary. Avenue Law Firm can assist NYC property owners in understanding their tax assessments, identifying potential errors, and exploring strategies for reducing their tax liabilities. If you're dealing with a property tax dispute or believe your property has been overassessed, our attorneys can represent you in negotiations and appeals with tax authorities. For more information and personalized legal assistance, contact Avenue Law Firm at 212-729-4090 and visit us at 505 Park Avenue, Suite 202, New York, New York, 10022.